good morning, good afternoon, good evening to wherever you are. Now this channel is usually filled with fashion or hauls or travel vlogs. Now because of this year, obviously the travel vlogs are a little lacking, but we've made up for it with a lot of stay-at-home vlogs. Now while staying at home, I did look through my old videos, which I never ever do, and watched a couple of my favorite travel vlogs. I've been so incredibly lucky to be able to travel to so many amazing places in the world and to be able to vlog it and share it with you guys as well. So today I thought whilst we're all at home, let's appreciate the world around us. Please enjoy this highlight reel of all my favorite Asia places that I've traveled to in the past few years from the comfort of your own couch. No jet lag, no 10-hour plane rides, no motion sickness or whatever. Enjoy. They're so advanced now.
Check it out.
Oh my god. Breakfast is served. Perfect Guilin noodles.
Days are long, your car won't start. It's hard to fix shit with a broken heart. I know growing up, it's not what it seems. Man, half of you is 30, half is 17. Wish we could live in the moment. It gets harder and harder to focus. We just ran, so it's harder to own it. So if it helps ya, I'm here with ya. Baby, don't you cry no more. I got 2 arms in an open door. Sure as there's a night and day, I know things are gonna be okay. You and I are the same. Ain't a thing that could change us. We're just riding a wave. Play the game, but it played us. No sleep, you got your eyes wide open. It's
same thing again. Am I doing it right? We arrived at our first stop. We're at the Shifen waterfalls. So this is Shifen Old Street. There's a railway line that runs all through it. Last stop of the day, Macau night market. The 101. We are in Seoul. I've never had kimchi before. Let's hope it's not too chilly. Chili? So chilly. Hi guys, we are on the corner of Zhou and Hefei because we're here at the secret noodle store. It's called 长角面. Oh, 小虾. 好的. Yum.
就是小笼包。OK。
To the water, open up my eyes. My feet are getting colder, take me by surprise. Breathe it out, breathe it in.
We're at the train station in Nuwara Elia. We're going to take a 3-hour train to Ella. Hello, we are at the Aluma waterfall. Hello, we're going to the 9 Arch Bridge.
We can see, we can dance and just let it go. We can see all the stars like the sky flows. So come on, let's forget about our lives for a while. Just escape.
Third beach for the day. This one is called Jungle Beach.
Let it take us over.
Going still fishing.
Breathe it out, breathe it in.
For watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did looking over all those wonderful memories. I definitely do want to travel back to China when I get the chance. I've got Zhangjiajie, the floating mountains, I think like the Avatar inspired mountains, and I've got Sichuan on the very tip top of my list. Let me know what is on your Asia travel bucket list, or share one of the most memorable trips you've been on and we can go down a trip on memory lane together. Otherwise, I'm thinking of editing a Europe holiday montage. Let me know if you'll watch it, because oh my gosh, this took me like 2 to 3 weeks. This video was 3 hours and a half of footage. You know what, I'll probably make it anyway, but just give me a little. I need to recover after this Asia travel montage. My Instagram is here, it's at jennyjzhou, and my Weibo, which is at longtangli the Jenny, which is Chinese for Jenny from the block. And if you want to listen to me and Bebe's podcast in Mandarin, Shanghainese, and English, good to practice your Chinese, it is called The Shameless Sisters or 好意思姐妹, and you can find it on Apple Podcasts and Himalaya. Bye! See you guys next time for the next travel montage.